Hello, good afternoon. You are welcome to our YouTube channel. From our math lesson, we are today we are discussing the 2023 O-level paper, 2023 O-level paper, and questions one by one. The first question is identify at this. I read the questions and also the questions can be shown in the screen. Okay, I read the question like this. It has been estimated that 12 men need for 4 days to complete certain tasks. First, okay, 12 men need 4 days to complete a certain task. 12 men need 4 days to complete a certain task. How many men are needed to this task in 3 days? First, we should clearly identify and understand the question. The question is like estimated 12 men. That means 12 men, 12, and they need 4 days. 4 days for complete a certain task. First, you think this is a task. To complete this task, we need 12 men. Okay, we need 12 men and 4 days. 12 men and 4 days. But they ask, but the question is like this: they need to complete this task, to complete this task within 3 days. Within 3 days. 3 days. Then how many men are needed? There are 3 methods. Sorry, I solve these questions for 2 methods. First method is like this. First, we take men multiplied by days. Men multiplied. That means men days. Men days is 12 multiplied by 4, 48. The task is 48 men days. 48 men days. The task is 48 men days. Now, we should calculate how many to complete this task within 3 days. We should divide this 48 men days. 48 men days divided by 3. Days, then 16, 43 divided by 3 means 16 men. The first method, 16 men. This is the first method. Before I start, I tell you we should clearly identify the question. The method is we need 12 men to complete this task. 12 men complete this task within 4 days. That means task is 48. 12 multiplied by 4, 48 men days. Then within 3 days, how many men needed? So we have to divide this task, means 48 men days divided by 3. That is answer is 16. First method. The second method is easy. Second method is no need to write like this. And you to complete the task. Within 3 days, number of men. You think there is a letter like X. There is a letter like this. This is second method. Letter like X. Then we should calculate like this. Now the task is the same. Task means men days are same. That means the if the task to be complete within 4 days or 3 days, the Mandays are same. So we similarize the Mandays. For first method, Mandays 12 multiplied by 4 equal to 3 days multiplied by x. X means the number of men. X the number of men. This is 3 is days. This is 4 is days. Now we can solve this problem. Question: 3x equal to 48. X 48 divided by 3. 48 divided by the answer 16. The second method. Now the second method is easy. Second method is easier than the first method, but you can solve this problem, solve this question for both methods, and you have to practice solving this problem from each and every method. That means you have to practice to solve this problem, to solve this question, first method and second method. When you write the exam, please carefully decide what method is very friendly and which is very friendly. And easiest method you can choose. Easiest method, I can't suggest the easiest method. Easiest method, this one or this one can be easiest, but for my knowledge about the mathematics, I think this is the very easier thing. But also you can solve this question from this method. This is the one of the simple question of the mathematics. So I believe you can easily understand the solving this common equation, and this is the calculation. The calculation is very easy. This is first method. First method is 12 multiplied by 4 and take the total answer. 12 multiplied by 4. 12 means men, 12 men and 4 days. 4 days. Then men multiplied by days means the answer is men days. 48 men days. Okay. Then 48 men days divided by 3. 48 men days divided by 3 days. 3 days. Then days to days vanish. Then 48 divided by 3, 16 men. The second method is difference from the first method. Second method is, and also it's very easy. It's different, but it's not difficult. It's very easy to complete the task within 3 days. Number of men called as the x letter. Not only x, also you can choose x, y, a, b, c, d, each and every letter. That's not a problem. Then 12 multiplied by 4 equal to 3 multiplied by x. Then 3x equal to 48. 3x equal to 48. Then x equal to 48 divided to 3. Answer is 60. So I think you can easily understand the correction, okay, this calculation, and I believe you are ability to understand. So for more videos, please subscribe and our channel and click the bell icon. Also, we decide to upload the videos, the calculations like this. So goodbye all of you.